Hey, tech lovers! August 2025 is loaded with mobile news, from critical updates you need to install to huge upcoming phone launches and some foldable surprises you won't believe. Let's dive right in. First up, Google Pixel owners, the August update is here. It fixes bugs with dark theme scheduling, gesture navigation, and a serious high-risk vulnerability affecting Pixel 6 through Pixel 9, the Fold, and the tablet. If you've got a Pixel, don't wait. Update now. Samsung fans, you're up next. Their August patch squashes 18 security issues, including critical ones in Samsung's own software. But here's the twist. Older models like the Galaxy A22, F22, and M32 are now officially retired from updates. Mark your calendar. August 20 is Pixel 10 Day. 4 models, including the Pixel 10 Pro Fold, all running the new Tensor G5 chip, upgraded telephoto cameras, and more RAM than ever. We're also getting the Vivo V60 on August 12 with a Snapdragon 7 Gen 4 and a crazy IP69 rating, the Redmi 15 5G with a 144Hz display, and the OPPO K13 Turbo with a built-in cooling fan and a massive 7,000 mAh battery. And speaking of big, foldables are going wild. The Xiaomi MIX Flip 2 packs a Snapdragon 8 Elite and a huge 5,165 mAh battery. Foldables aren't just niche anymore. They're becoming true flagship powerhouses. So, which are you more hyped for? The Pixel 10 Pro Fold, the OPPO Battery Beast, or the Xiaomi Flip 2? Drop your pick in the comments, hit like, and subscribe for more daily mobile updates.